everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study the integrals of these three forms. That is the integration of square root of a square minus x square, integration of square root of x square plus a square, and integration square root of x square minus a square. Okay, now these three forms, if you come across any question where it is present in this three specific form, you have to use their formulas. So the first formula is x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. And for the second one, x upon 2 square root of x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. And for the third part, that is x by 2 square root of x square minus a square by 2 log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Now this kind of integrals are a direct question. Okay, you have to see the question and you have to apply it. Okay, there is no need of doing any sort of calculations. Yes, sometimes the question may come a little bit complicated, so in that case you have to use the substitution and then you can further apply this formula. Okay, now let's just understand the three examples that I have taken on each of these formulas. Okay, so here it is the first one where I is equal to x square root of a square minus x raised to 6. Okay, now here if you see, we have the another component, extra component, that is x square multiplied outside. Okay, so we need to get rid of that part. So for that, what we will do, that is integration x square, and in the square root we will write a square, and minus x raised to 6 can be written as x cube the whole square. Okay, now to get rid of that part, what we will do, we will use the substitution. We will substitute x cube as t. Now when you take the derivative, that gives you 3x square dx equals to dt. So x square dx can be written as 1 by 3 times of dt. So our integration will reduce to 1 by 3 dt, and your integration will come out to be a square minus t square. Now this looks like exactly that form. Okay, that is integration of a square minus x square. So we will apply the same formula. Okay, you can check it here. What is the formula? The first one is x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x upon a plus c. So here we will apply the same formula. Our a remains the a, and but here your variable changes to t. Okay, we can take 1 by 3 outside, then I'll apply the formula a square minus t square dt. Okay, so for applying the formula, you have to take 1 by 3 outside, keeping outside, and then draw the bracket. Now we'll apply the formula. Okay, so that gives you t upon 2 square root of a square minus t square plus a square by 2 sine inverse t upon a. Then close the bracket, then plus c. Okay, after that, what we can do, we can multiply this 1 by 3 inside if you want, otherwise you can keep it outside also. Okay, I'll keep it outside, and now we will resubstitute the value of t. Now the value of t was x cube, so this will be x cube upon 2 square root of a square minus x raised to 6 plus a square by 2, and this will be sine inverse of x cube upon a. Okay, you can draw the bracket here. Okay, after that we will just close this plus c. Okay, so this is the value of the first integral that we have solved it. Okay, you can take 1 by 3 inside if you want, otherwise it's okay. Okay, further we have the 2 in the denominator, we can take outside, so I will be 1 upon 6 x x cube square root of a square minus x raised to 6 plus a square sine inverse x cube upon a, close the bracket, and then plus c. Okay, hope you have understood this problem. which was based on the first formula. Okay, now let's just move on to the next kind of a question, which is based on the another formula. I is equal to integral square root of x minus 3 and 7 minus x dx. Now we'll just multiply these two terms, but without before multiplying we can take minus sign from this common. Okay, so that will look like x minus 3 and x minus 7. We have taken minus outside. Now after that, what we can do, keep the minus sign outside and multiply these two brackets. So when you multiply, it will come x square minus 10x plus 21 close the bracket dx. Okay, after this you can find your third term. You have to complete the square. So half into coefficient of x, that is 10, and take the square. So 10 by 2 is 5, and which is 25. So here what we'll do, integration, then again square root minus, we will add the third term, we'll add this third term, we'll subtract this third term, then plus 21. Okay, write dx here. After this again minus, and for these three terms we can write the square in the form of a square, that is x minus 5 the whole square, and minus 25 plus 21 gives you minus 4 close the bracket. Now integration, again square root, we'll write dx here. Now you can multiply minus inside, that gives you 4 minus x minus 5 the whole square dx. Okay, then I will be equal to integration, we will write this 2 in the form of a square. 4 can be written as 2 square minus x minus 5 the whole square dx. Now this looks like a integration square root of a square minus x square. Okay, what it is, a square minus x square. So for this we will apply the formula, the same formula, okay, that we have applied for the first part. Okay, so the formula is x by 2, that is x minus 5 upon 2, then square root of 2 square minus x minus 5 the whole square. Okay, then plus 2 square upon 2 sine inverse of x by a, which is x minus 5 upon 2 plus c. So overall we get x minus 5 upon 2, and when you solve this you will get the same thing that we have done when we have expanded this. Okay, so either you can write your own question again, that is x minus 3 and 7 minus x, or you can solve it and see it for yourself. The 2 will get cancelled, so we'll left with 1 2 here, and sine inverse x minus 5 upon 2 plus c. So this is the value of the integral that we have received after doing this. Okay, I've taken the same problem, the two problem based on the same formula. Okay, now we'll take the another one where I'm going to take, that is I is equal to integration square root of x square plus 2x plus 5 dx. Okay, now in this case again we need to find the third term, because we have to make a square term. So in that case 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 the whole square, that gives you 1. So I will be equal to integration square root of x square plus 2x plus 1 close the bracket, then minus 1, then plus 5 dx. Okay, then this will come out to be x plus 1 the whole square, and this will come out to be plus 4 dx. Then we will write this as a term of x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 square. We can write this 2 in the form of a square. Now this is looks like square root of x square plus a square. Okay, so we'll apply the formula, that is x upon 2, that is x plus 1 upon 2, and then the square root, you have to copy this, x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 square plus 2 square upon 2 log, then it is x plus 1 plus, and here it comes x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 square, close the mod, that is, and plus c. Okay, so 1 2 will get cancelled here, so we are left with x plus 1 by 2, and if you just open this bracket, it will come out to be the same question that you have done, that is x square plus 2x plus 5 plus 2 log mod x plus 1 plus square root of, again you can open the same thing and you can see for yourself that you get the same quadratic term that you have been given in the question, that is x square plus 2x plus 5, and then mod, then plus c. Okay, so this was based on the square root of x square plus a square formula. Okay, hope you understood this three problems. If you have got any doubt, just let me know in the comments. Also, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Okay, now we are going to do the another question, okay, which is based on the substitution as well as this formula. Okay, so let's just do, it is a good question here, that is integration sec square x multiplied with tan square plus tan x minus 7 dx. So if you can, you have to get rid of this sec square and this quadratic trigonometric term. So for that we will substitute tan x as t. So the derivative of tan x will be sec square x dx equals to dt. Okay, so now your integration will reduce to this sec square x dx will leave it and will give you dt, and this integration will be t square plus t minus 7. Okay, now to complete the square we have to find the third term, which is half into coefficient of t the whole square, which is 1 by 4. So I will be equal to integration t square plus t plus 1 by 4, then negative 1 by 4 and negative 7 dt. Okay, now this will give you t plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, and if you just solve this, that is minus 1 by 4 minus 7, that will give you minus 29 by 4 dt. Okay, now we will write this in the form of a square term, both of this, that is t plus 1 by 2 the whole square, then minus root of 29 upon 2 the whole square dt. Now it looks like square root of x square minus a square. Okay, so we'll apply the same formula here, which is based on this one. I can show you the formula, which one, third one. Okay, it is based on this, so we'll apply the same formula. Okay, so t plus 1 by 2 upon 2, then square root of t plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus root of 29 upon 2 the whole square minus root of 29 upon 2 square upon 2, and this gives you log mod t plus 1 by 2 plus square root of, this whole thing will be repeated again, t plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus root of 29 upon 2 the whole square, close the mod, plus c. Okay, now if you just solve this, this will give you 2t plus 1 upon 4, and if you just open this square root part, this will give you the same question that is this term. Okay, if you just open this, it will give you this only, so you can just copy it. Okay, that is t square plus t minus 7, and this will be 29 upon 8 log, this will be 2t plus 1 upon 2, draw the bracket, plus again this term will be same, t square plus t minus 7 plus c. Now we can just resubstitute it. Instead of t, we will write tan x. So I is equal to 2 tan x plus 1 upon 4, and this will be tan square x plus tan x minus 7 minus 29 by 8 log 2 tan x plus 1 upon 2, plus this will be tan square x plus tan x minus 7, close the mod, plus c. So this is the final answer that we have received after applying the formula. Okay, I hope you have understood this three forms of this integral. First, I'll suggest that you make the note of these three formulas and then you solve the three examples. Okay, because you can refer that. Okay, how did I apply the formula? Okay, so I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Okay, thank you so much.